Luke, and I'm the Vice President of the Ornithology Club at Portola High School in Irvine.
Hi, my name is Joshua.
我们预祝这次活动圆满成功。
主持人郭香宁 Sylvia。
And I'm your other host today, Sky Liam. 大家好，我是演员和双语主持人白龙。I'm Brian, the host of today's event. At this moment, brimming with vitality and hope, we have all gathered here to kick off this extraordinary event, the Chinese American Youth Bird-Friendly City Innovation Contest Award Ceremony and Exchange Activity.
Congratulations to everyone taking care of the environment.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Wu Chen Xiang.
This year, motivated by this program, my partner and I frequently went to our campus for bird watching.
We, as young people, are the future of conservation. And birding is more than just a hobby.
Showing your love of nature. Thank you so much.
Dear friends, today's event is coming to an end. Thank you all, the guests, for your presence. And Chinese and American teenage friends for your enthusiastic participation. And all the staff for their hard work.
下次再见，谢谢大家。
Those are some of the wealthy and have the same atmosphere. This is what we've got.